Hello Osmosis community. In this video, we'll be going over how to stake Osmo on Osmosis. If you're not sure what staking is, make sure to check out our What is Staking video linked in the description. But before we start staking Osmo, let's go over some key staking facts. Rewards are automatically distributed daily, and a new delegation is required for compounding rewards. There is no slashing for downtime, and 5% for double signing. When unstaking Osmo, there's a 14-day unbonding period, and during this time, no rewards are accrued. Now that we know what to expect, we can start staking Osmo on Osmosis. In this video, we'll assume you already have a Keplr wallet. However, if you're unfamiliar with the native self-custody Keplr wallet or how to get it set up, you can find a step-by-step guide in the How to Stake Atom on Cosmos video, linked in the description. Since Osmosis isn't on a central exchange, the only way to get it is to go to app.osmosis.zone. Once we're here, we can connect our wallet. You can use Wallet Connect or Keplr. I'll be using Keplr. Once you're connected, you can now exchange Atom or any of the other IBC-enabled tokens for Osmo. An easy way to do this is to load up your Keplr wallet with atoms and to IBC transfer into Osmosis. In order to get it into Osmosis, we can come over to our assets in Osmosis, and under Cosmos Hub Atom right here, we can click Deposit. We can click how much we would like to deposit. In my case, we'll go with just a small amount for demonstration purposes, and we'll deposit, approve our gas fee, and sign the transaction. We can refresh and we should see our balance pop up, and there's our balance. Now we can come over to trade. We can go max, and that will give us some Osmo. We can go swap, low gas fee, approve, transaction successful. Now we can navigate to wallet.keplr.app to start staking Osmo. We can come down here and click stake, and this will open up our wallet.keplr.app under Osmosis. On the left-hand side here, we can see our account we've connected to and our available balance. Below that, we can see our favorites we've selected and the rest of the chains that are supported by Keplr Wallet. By clicking on them, you can see that you can stake and vote on governance all from this dashboard. It's quite a handy tool. For us, we're just looking at staking though. We can find our validators we have staked for right here. We can see our pending rewards ready to be claimed up here. If you haven't delegated your stake before, you won't see anything in here or here. For you, we'll go down to active validators and we'll scroll down and locate the Figment validator. Next to the Figment validator, we'll click on manage. And here you can undelegate or redelegate or delegate. In our case, we'll click delegate. It's important to remember that staking will lock your funds for 14 days. So be aware of that when staking. Here, we can put in how many Osmo we would like to stake. I'm going to go with just 9 for the demonstration purposes, and to make a whole number, go with low and approve. Congratulations! You've successfully staked Osmo on Osmosis. If you have any questions, be sure to join Staking Hub, our one-stop shop for all things staking. As a bonus, you can now stake any IBC-enabled blockchain supported by Keplr using the information learned in this guide. How cool is that? In case you missed it, be sure to check out our other videos in the Wat Dat Series. These videos include a breakdown of Web3, staking, ETH2, and custody. You can find links to these videos and more in the description below. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video valuable, make sure to share it with a friend. As always, if you have any questions about staking or how Figment simplifies blockchain for you or your organization, you can join Staking Hub with the link in the description. I look forward to seeing you there, and until next time, happy staking.